What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here for just a quick little video. I was fortunate enough to have or be sent LastFit's new T3 series switchback LED turn signals. They upgraded them from the last ones. Apparently a lot of people had issues with, if they've been on for like 30 seconds or so, they would start to hyper flash or some other things like that. So these are supposed to fix it. They sent me them to try them out, and we'll go install them and take a look at how they look. First, I'll open these up. Let's see, can you see these? There we go. Let's take a look. Just take a look at them aesthetically first. Let's see if you can see that. And if you can see in the front, let's see. It says LastFit printed on there. It's trying to focus on my face, but we'll show you that later. Let's see. There you go. All right, let's go put these in. All right, so these lights in here are the ones we're gonna be changing. And you can see those are the LastFit switchbacks. Got them here on both sides. I'll show you how to change one and then just do the other one, and then we'll test them out to see what they look like. We'll let's put a little test of what they look like right now. Let's see. All right, so I have my headlights on. And you can see they're running white. Then let's flip a blinker on. And you can see amber back to the white. So hopefully these new ones do the same thing. We'll get these popped in and take a look at them. For me to access this bulb, it being right here, my front bumper is cut, so I have some pretty easy access into there. And I'm just gonna stuff my arm up in there, pull the light out, and then replace it. Those of you that don't have your bumper cut and just have the regular stock front bumper, I think if I remember correctly, this is probably still the easiest way to access it if you just pop a few of your fender clips and reach up in there and do it the same way. Let's get to it. What it's hung up on here. There we go. Alright, I don't remember that being so hard. One out. then, let's see. After you get that popped in, it's always good to give her a little test. Make sure it's signaling in there. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Now we just gotta pop it back into place and then do the other side. All right, that one's in place. Now I just gotta do the other side and then we'll show you guys when it's all done. All right, I probably should have shown you on the passenger side, seeing how that was a way easier side to access and put in. But we have both of them put in. I double checked to make sure that they came on so that I can put them all the way up in. Now let's turn the car on and see how they work. All right, let's see, turn. Let's just turn the hazards on, see how they look. Nice and bright. All right, let's throw the headlights on for the switchback effect. All right, you can see them, white, back to amber. Let's try this one. This one's looking good. We'll have to do a night test. Well, there you go, guys. The new T3s, they look really good. And they should be able to last more than 30 seconds on without hyper flashing. Let's hang out here for a bit. See if anything starts getting funky. There's a good angle of the white to amber. I'd say we probably had them on for close to 30 seconds between having the headlights on and off, so the switchback kicks on. And I have no hyper flash. We'll throw a night test in here too. However, if any of you guys need LED bulbs for your 4Runner or any other car, hit up LastFit LED, and then you can use code 4RunnerFit to save yourself some money on your order. I have done 4Runner specific headlights from them, which I think I'm getting the opportunity to test the new 4Runner headlights also. Swapped out all doors. I don't have my dome lights on right now, but I swapped out all these and those. Let's see, what else have we swapped out? Swapped out the tails and the brakes. Pretty sure we did the brakes too. License plate light, changed those out. So LastFit LED has been kind enough to hook me up with a full LED swap on my car. I want to swap out the DRLs, but I've heard those end up getting a lot of hyper flash from any company, so we'll see. But here's the night test, and thanks for watching. All right, we're getting some night shots here of the new T3 switchback turn signals. You can see right now that they are white with the headlights on. We got white on both sides here. Yep, we added some Halloween decorations since I've installed these. Now, not yet. We're doing this video for the turn signals right now. Okay. So, right now we're going to, I think, turn these down one, and then let's see if that still keeps them on. Okay, so they are on, so we're not distracted by the main headlight. Ryan, can you come in here and press the hazard sign? Here, in here. Go press the red triangle up there in the center of the dash. All right. There they go. That way we can see them with the hazards on. You can see them going amber and then back to the white, which is what they're supposed to do. And we're out here in the pitch black, and you can just see how bright they are. Even just the whites in them are almost as bright as your average headlights. And there you go. There's the last fit T3 switchback turn signals. Remember to use code 4RunnerFit when you check out to save yourself some money. Yeah.